Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a content request template in Monday.com. First up, log into your Monday.com account. The reason we start here is because this is where all your project management happens. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, click on the plus button. This helps us because it opens the drop-down menu where we can create a new board. Next up, select Blank Board and give it a title like Content Requests. This is your workspace, where you'll track all your content requests. Click on Create Board to confirm. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns. Click Add Column on the right. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each column represents a key aspect of your content request, like the title, due date, assignee, and status. Name your first column Title for the content piece title. Then add a date column for the due date, a people column for the assignee, and a status column for the progress stage. Let me explain why this matters. These columns will help you keep track of all important details about each content request in one glance. The final step is to customize the status column. Click on the column title, then Column Settings, then Edit Labels. This is where you can define the stages your content requests will go through, like requested, in progress, completed. The reason we do this is to visually track the progress of each content piece. And there you have it, a content request template in Monday.com. Remember, a good template can streamline your content production process, saving you time and keeping everything organized. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next tutorial.